how to create an email in mailerLite. So first go to mailerLite, then just click on campaigns here at the left. Okay, next is just click on create campaign and then click on regular campaign. Okay, next is you just need to fill in all of the details here. So I'll just type in for the campaign name, I'll just type in campaign 2. Then for the subject, I'll just type in subject 2. And then as for the pre-header, I'll just type in pre-header 2. And as for the recipients, you can choose any of your recipients. As for me, I'll just use all of my active subscribers. So just click on select. And then just click on next here at the bottom. Next here, you can either choose among the options here, whether to start from scratch, use a template gallery, or your recent emails. So I'll just use my template gallery here and then choose any of the templates here. I'll just choose this one. Okay, now let's just wait for this to load. Okay, now let's say I'm done editing this, right? So what you need to do is just click on done editing. Okay, now as you can see, now you've just created your email. So if you want to send it, you can choose among the sending options here. As for me, I'll just save this. So what you need to do is to save this is just click on close here. And as you can see, now you just saved and created an email in mailerLite. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.